Hello and welcome to Samarth Academy Amritsar Punjab, and I am back with yet another video of SSC GD questions. So again, as previously, I would be covering 20 questions in this video. So without much ado, let us start the video. The first question is, select the most appropriate idiom that can substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. So idioms are quite a parts and parcel of your exam preparations. So please do prepare a lot of as many idioms as possible. Okay. So because you can't guess the meaning of the idiom unless you have read them before. So I would advise them to please do read them in advance. The question is, he has been working late into the night trying to finish his thesis before the deadlines. The options are burning the candle at both the ends, burning bridges, burning the ships, burning the midnight oil. So from the sentence, I can make out that he has been working late into the night. So he's working late into the night, right? So trying to finish his work before the deadlines. So if you look at this particular idiom, this is an also idiom, but the matter that to waste energy. Obviously, he's not wasting over anything over here, right? So burning bridge is matlab that to destroy something. So again, this is not fitting here. So look at this D part, burning the midnight oil. So that is what it means basically, to work late at night. That is what it means. Okay. He has been working late into the night trying to finish his thesis before the deadline. And this is the correct idiom that will fill the option, burning the midnight oil. Okay. Moving on to next part, next question. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given word. The given word is chuckle. Chuckle. That's the options. Laugh loudly, laugh in a noisy, gleeful way, laugh quietly without opening one's mouth, cry like a donkey. So chuckle as a word is quite submissive. Chuckle. तो बड़ा ही like yielding type the word लगता है chuckle. So the meaning भी कुछ हो जाएगा. Chuckle is not something loud at all. It is something which is quietly. So if somebody is laughing quietly without opening the mouth, opening his mouth or her mouth, you can say she is chuckling या he is chuckling. ठीक है, पंजाबी का मतलब मुंह ਵਿੱਚ ਹੱਸਣਾ, ਦਬੀ ਹੱਸੀ, right? तो सी ऑप्शन ही सही बनेगा ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, laugh quietly. Okay. Moving on to next question. We have to see the incorrectly spelled word now. The given words are resource, apology, lecture. I don't know what is it, business लिखा है, तो basically the word should be business. So business spelling होते हैं BUSI, not IS. So this part is wrong here. So this is the wrongly spelled word. ठीक है, तो यही आंसर आएगा D option. Same type of question है, incorrectly spelled word in the given sentence. The question is, the company's policy on employees benefit is quite comprehensive. Comprehensive. So spelling में बोल देते words pronunciation बोल देती है comprehensive होना चाहिए था. It should be SIVE. So this is not any word at all. This is a wrongly written word here. बाकी ठीक है, company's policy benefit ठीक है, but comprehensive spelling गलत ने. It should be SIVE. Okay, so A option is the right answer here. Next one is, select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. My heart fills with anger when I see disciples of self-claimed gods dash before them. Okay, let's see the options. Sleeping, spitting, swinging, yeah, prostrating. I remember in one of the previous video, this word I discussed in detail, prostrate. Prostrate का मतलब होता है to lie down on stomach, जिਵੇਂ कहते हैं ना दंडवत प्रणाम करना, and this is quite common in politics. Although we should prostrate in front of gods only, but I've seen some political studies and like they prostrate before the leaders as well. तो यही क्वेश्चन कहता पे है कि my heart fills with anger, मैंने गुस्सा आंदा है when I see disciple ने चेले भगत जिन्हों कहते हैं ना शिष्य of a self-claimed gods. Basically talking about the kings or the politician maybe, when the disciple of self-claimed god dash before them. So obviously they don't sleep before them, yet spitting nahi aayega, swinging nahi aayega. This is the word here, when they prostrate before them. ठीक है, तो लम्बे पैके उन्हें प्रणाम कर दे. So D option is the right answer. Moving on to next question. The given sentence is divided into 4 segments, and select the option that has the segment with an adverbial uses error. I remember in almost every video of mine, I have got this type of question, adverbial usage error. And they're also the most easiest type of questions. Why? Because ਆਪਾਂ part ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਜਿਸ part ਵਿੱਚ adverb ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ error ਮਿਲਦੀ ਪਈ ਸਾਨੂੰ. So let's see. David loudly opened the gift presented by his sister. So again, you can make out very clearly, very easily कि adverb किहदे विच हैगा. Adverb normally, not always, ly वाले word ही हुंदे ने. So ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ error होएगी. So A option is the right answer. मतलब A contains the error. ठीक है? Very easy question. Part of the following sentence has been given as option that contains an error. So the question is, she been showing off her juggling skills at a friend's party. Options की होए चार part ने, showing off her juggling skill at, she been her friend's party. I'm sure you must have got it by now. Look at this part, she been. We don't use this helping verb without any other helping verb. Has been, या have been, या will have been on that. ठीक है? We never use directly with the subject. इस तरह नहीं use करते अपन. So she been is not making sense here. So C option ही मेरी ये आंसर होएगा. This part contain an error. ठीक है? So she been में error रहेगी. Next one is select the most appropriate option that can substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence and rectify this. And if no correction is required, select no correction. The question is, they are launching the new product last month. Sometimes I feel like by reading the statement, I feel like, yeah, so easy questions. There is nothing to get confused. So you just keep your, like basic elementary knowledge about English language straight. You won't get any problem. But look at this question. I would say it's such a childish question that anybody who has just elementary knowledge of English would get it right. So they are launching the new product last month. So look at this part, last month, past thing, and this is present. That is what the contradictory to each other. Options are launched, was launching, no correction required, did launch. So did the second form वैसे नहीं करी आंदी. So correction ते आनी C भी बार कर देंगे. So they dash the new product last month. So something they are talking which has already happened. So this part contain a launch second form. ऐसे the answer होएगा. They launched the new product last month. ठीक है? Okay, the idiom is there. The question is, fall between two stools. Fall between two stools. Options की ने, fail to achieve either of the two aims. या B option है कि confused to select either of two options. या fall upon the hurdles continuously. या succeed to achieve both aims. So when you're falling, it's very unlikely that you would succeed. So पहला तेनों पर बार काट देने D option नो. It cannot be an answer. So falling between the two stools, मतलब this stool and falling between, they are not able to complete any of the tasks. So this one, look at this A part, fail to achieve either of the two aim. कि दो में जो कोई भी aim तुसी पूरा नहीं कर पाए, ठीक है? So that is the answer. A option ही answer होएगा. The मतलब ऐसे होता है fall between two stools दा कि fail to achieve either of the two aims. All right, select the most appropriate option. Prepositions है ये. The question is, I know we can count dash Tim to resolve this for us. Options are at, for, on, the in. Basically, phrasal verb hai. Phrasal verb, there is a one phrase and one preposition is there. So, whether we meaning we should memorize it. Basically, there is no way out that you can understand this. No, yaad hi karna paina. So, the phrasal verb is count on. So, count on का मतलब होता है trust करना, rely करना, ठीक है? Believe करना. So I know we can count on, मतलब आप भरोसा कर सकते हैं टीम ते to resolve this for us, ठीक है? So on ऐसा ही आएगा. Count on is a very common expression we use in our daily life. So count on का मतलब होता है भरोसा करना या rely करना, depend करना, right? So C option is the right answer. Next one is fill in the blanks with the suitable options. I drove back to the town and began to retrace the route, taking frequent dash at the map. There is a guy who was just he went back to the town, drove back to the town and began to retrace route. उन्हें रास्ता अपना दोबारा शुरू किया, taking frequent dash at the map. उसको map है उन्हें की किया की आ सकता है देखो bounces, glances, winces या fancies. So when he driving retracing that track and map है so की करेगा map नो, he would be glancing obviously बार-बार उन्हें देखेगा to find the route. So this one B option is the right answer. Taking frequent glances at the map. ठीक है, ग्लांस वाला नजर मारने, झलक मारनी, ठीक है, झलक देखनी. Okay. Moving on to next question. We have to see the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Precise. Precise. Give me the precise number. So very easy. Options are vague, ambiguous, approximate, या accurate. So I want the precise number, precise figure. So precise मतलब accurate. Because vague भी that which is not clear, ambiguous भी that not clear, approximate that कि estimate होवे. So precise the synonym क्यों होएगा? Accurate. बिल्कुल accurate number, बिल्कुल precise number. ठीक है, ऐसा बोल देनो. So C option is the right answer. Now the opposite question. The most appropriate antonym of the word in the bracket wala word. Let's see, the question is, the new law aims to dash brackets again enlarge the sale of illegal drugs. Okay, enlarge मतलब large मतलब वड्डा ते enlarge में वड्डा करना, ठीक है. और पहला opposite देखना है. Option है ridicule, admire, amplify या curtail, ठीक है. So ridicule ਹੁੰਦਾ मजाक उड़ाना basically, admire ਹੁੰਦਾ तारीफ करना, amplify ਵੱਡਾ करने ਹੁੰਦਾ, so curtail ਹੁੰਦਾ ਛੋਟਾ करना, ਘੱਟ करना, ठीक है. So this is enlarge में ਵੱਡਾ करना, ਇਹਦਾ opposite ਹੋਏਗਾ to curtail something. So ਇਹ ਹੋਏਗਾ the new law aims to curtail the sale of illegal drugs, ठीक है. All right, again we have to see the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Magnanimous. The word is magnanimous. Magnanimous. Magnanimous मतलब somebody who is large-hearted, very liberal, kind-hearted person. उन्हें बोलते हैं magnanimous. Option देखेंगे splendor, large, generous या degraded. As I just told you, magnanimous मतलब somebody with a large heart. लेकिन पता opposite word देखना है, तो large ਤੇ आ नहीं सकता. ਸਪਲੈਂਡਰ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸ਼ਾਨਦਾਰ ਬੜਾ ਵਧੀਆ, ਜਨਰਸ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਦਿਆਲੂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕਾਈਂਡ ਹਾਰਟਡ. ਸੋ ਇੱਕੋ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਬਚ ਗਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਡੀਗ੍ਰੇਡਡ, ਔਰ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਸੀ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਆਨਸਰ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. Select the most appropriate antonym. Again we have to see the opposite word. The given word is distraught. Distraught मतलब somebody who's nervous, घबराया या confused. Options की ने curved, sour, happy या new. So as I just told you, distraught मतलब somebody who's worried, confused, anxious. तो देखो की आ सकता ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ word ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਪਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦੇ exactly opposite ਹੈਗਾ, and that is happy. He was looking distraught, the opposite होगा he was looking happy, ठीक है. So calm या happy. So C option is the right answer. Okay, the last part, that is of comprehensions. Let us see. In the following passage, some words have been deleted. Okay, read the passage carefully and select the most appropriate option to fill in each blank. Okay, the questions are: chatbots are computer programs dash to simulate conversations as if a dash another human. Okay, so I've read the complete sentence containing two blanks. पहला है chatbots are computer programs, they are computer program dash to simulate. की किया गया उन्होंने. Options are debarred, designed, destroyed या detailed. स्पेलिंग गलत है. ओके, सो कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम से ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ? डिबार्ड ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕਣਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਖਤਮ ਕਰਨਾ, ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਨਾ ਤੇ. so they are computer programs से, so they are designed to simulate, ठीक है, simulate to act like something, ठीक है. so they are computer program designed to simulate conversation as if a dash another human, as if a dash another human. option देखेंगे एक बारी. were, pretend, will या could. so look at the starting statement again. they are computer program designed to simulate conversation as if a dash. so as if they, देखो दे तो बाद उन्होंने ऑप्शन देती हैं वर, प्रिटेंड, विल या कुड. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो विल आएगा बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग प्रेजेंट, है ना. आर कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम डिजाइन, तो विल ते आ नहीं सकता. एज दे कुड, इट नॉट मेकिंग सेंस. एज इफ दे कुड डजंट मेक सेंस. सो इफ एज इफ दे वर ਆਪਾਂ ਕਦੋਂ ਲਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ? ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਹਾਈਪੋਥੈਟਿਕਲ ਇੱਕ ਇਮੇਜਿਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. ਜੋ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਵਾਲੀ ਕਨਵਰਸੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਿਮੂਲੇਟ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਆਪ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਹੀ ਹੋਣ, ਇਮੇਜਿਨੇਸ਼ਨ, ਹਾਈਪੋਥੈਟਿਕਲ, ਐਜ਼ ਇਫ ਦੇ ਵਰ ਹਿਊਮਨ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ। For dash they were more than 10 million replica users as of 2022। replica मतलब photocopy, duplicate। for dash comma ਹੈਗਾ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ example eligible entry exit, very simple, very straightforward। so for dash comma ਵੀ ਪਿਆ ਹੈ तो for eligible नहीं आ सकता, for entry नहीं आ सकता, for exit नहीं आ सकता। for example there were more than, देखो फिर वर आ गया, ठीक है, पास ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ they were यूज ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ। so there were more than 10 million replica user of 2022। so replica is a chatbot built as a companion who dash full stop है। तो replica की उन्होंने क्या, it's a chatbot built as a companion who dash, option की ने present में चाहिए sentence, options are cares, blinks, negate या grows। तो फिर गल करता है as a companion, ਕੰਪੈਨੀਅਨ ਮਤਲਬ ਫਰੈਂਡ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਥੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਸਾਡਾ। ਸੋ ਕੰਪੈਨੀਅਨ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਨਿਗੇਟ ਤੇ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਜ਼ਨਟ ਇਟ। ਸੋ ਕੰਪੈਨੀਅਨ ਮੋਸਟਲੀ ਕੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਟੇਕਸ ਕੇਅਰ ਆਫ ਸਮਬਡੀ। ਸੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੂ ਕੇਅਰਸ। ਰੈਪਲੀਕਾ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਚੈਟਬੋਟ ਬਿਲਡ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਕੰਪੈਨੀਅਨ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਆਫ ਦਿਸ ਵਰਡ ਕੰਪੈਨੀਅਨ, ਇੱਥੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੂ ਕੇਅਰਸ। ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵਨ ਇਜ਼ ਇਟ ਐਕਟਸ ਲਾਈਕ ਅ ਫਰੈਂਡ but a relationship with the chatbot can become romantic, okay। in many chatbot applications such as this, there may be no moderations or human checks on appropriate dash, on appropriate dash। ध्यान समझिए एक बार दोबारा इन्हों कहना it act like a friend, ठीक है, as I told you companion, but a relationship with the chatbot can become romantic भी हो सकता है। in many chatbot applications such as this, there may be no moderation or human check, कि कोई भी चेकिंग नहीं होएगी ह्यूमन दी on inappropriate dash, किसी चेकिंग नहीं हो पाएगी। इनएप्रोप्रिएट गलत ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੀ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਨੇ, ਕੰਸੋਲ, ਕਾਰਪੋਰੇਟ, ਕੋਲਾਜ ਜਾਂ ਕੰਟੈਂਟ। ਆਬਵੀਅਸਲੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੈਕਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਆਪਾਂ ਚੈਕਿੰਗ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਵਰਡ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕੋਲਾਜ, ਕਾਰਪੋਰੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਏਗਾ। ਸੋ देयर इज नो ਹਿਊਮਨ ਚੈੱਕ ਔਨ ਦਾ ਇਨਐਪਰੋਪ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕੰਟੈਂਟ। ਕੰਟੈਂਟ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡਾਟਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਸੋ देयर इज नो ਹਿਊਮਨ ਚੈੱਕ ਔਨ ਦਾ ਰੋਂਗ ਡਾਟਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਕੰਟੈਂਟ ਹੀ ਸਹੀ ਬੈਠੇਗਾ। ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇਖ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਦ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਡ to simulate conversation as if they were, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ human ਹੀ ਹੋਣ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ। and for example there were more than 10 million replica and it is a companion who cares, and last one is application, yeah, there may be no moderations or human checks on inappropriate content, कि डाटा ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। so be aware if your child is spending a long time with friend। so basically this whole paragraph is making us more cautious that we should be more vigilant of our children, okay। so I believe, okay, so that completes or concludes yet another video of 20 questions। so though the questions were different, but the pattern, the style was quite similar to all the previous question that we have discussed in the previous videos। so the idea is basically to give you the hint, the gist of what type of questions you can get in the exam, okay। no need to panic, just read the questions carefully। and yes, one thing, sometime what happen, you have no idea at all what the question is all about, yeah, you have no clue what the question is asking about, yeah, what does it mean। so temporarily you can leave that question and move on to those questions that you are more sure about, isn't it। so ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹ ਵਾਲੇ question ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ 100% sure है कि ठीक होंगे, then you can always come back to the difficult question that you left previously, ठीक है जी। so I hope I am making a lot of efforts to make all the questions should seem easy to you। so I would be very happy if you would be investing same amount of energy and time in your practice so that we can come or bring a desired result in you, okay। so keep practicing, until then take care, bye bye।